Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So question, how many of you have had problems in the past or still having problems using like and as? Well, hopefully I can help you. So what is the problem with like and as? Well, in many European languages, both of these words actually translate the same way into just one word. So sometimes there's confusion. It's like, which word do you use? Do you use like or do you use as? So we're going to start with instructions. Okay, so the first example is do it as explained in the instructions, or do it like me. Okay, now it is not correct to say do it as me, and it's equally not correct to say do it like explained in the instructions. So do it as I explained or do it like me. Now there is a general rule here that we can apply specifically for instructions, and that is if we use like, it should be directly followed by an object, and when you use as, it should be followed by a clause containing a verb. Okay, so with the first example, do it as explained, okay, here we have the verb after as. And when I said do it like me, then after like, you have the object. But now we're going to look at definitions and similarities. For example, I work as a teacher. Now this is my real job, okay, so in this case as is the definition, is what I do, so I work as a teacher. Now sometimes I work very long days, and you could even say in a metaphorical way, I work like a slave. Okay, now this is not true, I'm not a slave, so it's an exaggerated example, but it shows you similarities. Okay, so as is real and like is similar to. Okay, we're going to move on to talking about giving examples. Now in this case we could use the expression such as. For example, eat healthy food such as fruit and vegetables. Eat healthy food like fruit and vegetables. So in this case like and such as are the same. Okay, well, we can also use like and as when we're giving comparisons. So if I said he is as tall as his brother, or I could say he is tall like his brother. Both sentences are correct, but there is a little difference in the meaning. If we say he is tall like his brother, that means that both brothers are tall. Now we don't know their height. One may be, a little higher, a little taller, than the other, but we don't know. But they are both tall. But if we say one brother is as tall as the other, then we are basically saying they have the same height. Okay, and the last part of this is to talk about predictions and expectations. And here's some good news. Here we can use like and as with no difference. For example, it rained again this morning as it was predicted. Or it rained again this morning like it was predicted. Okay, well, I hope that cleared up any doubts that you may have had with as and like. If you have any more questions on the subject, please leave them in the comments below. If you have your own examples you'd like to share with others, also you can use the comments. But for now, I'm going to conclude this video and I'm going to say, go practice some English, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.